So I just got in an accident. My bathroom sink was on and I dropped this. I dropped this cup. So now I have to let it dry. Well, today I wasn't planning like vlogging, kind of, because today it's gonna be technically like a filming day. I'm gonna film more unboxing. Why I'm so out of focus? This camera sometimes, I don't know. I just don't know. Alright, I already changed. I had to go to menu and do everything. Alright, so what's something that I wanted to tell you about? Yeah, oh my god, my eyebrows, it's dark. Since I've been wearing this is the new cleanser that I got. I don't know, for some reason I feel my skin looks way better. Well, that's what I see. I don't know if you see the same. Anyways, my skin is not bad. Sometimes I get some people here and there, but I did like that's doesn't bother me. Sometimes it does, depends how big they are, but so I don't know, I like that. I've been liking this cleanser and I've been using it since I got it. Yesterday, when was it, like 2 days ago, I noticed like my skin is like glowing, kinda. Not like glowing, like looks healthier. Like not healthier, you know what I mean. So I put a little bit, kinda a little bit, and I love how it smells. The watermelon smell, it's the best. So I'm gonna do this and I come back later when I'm looking better. Ready. So also, I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow because I have a lot to do today. A lot of filming to do, a lot of unboxing for my I don't know if I'm taking it out, like, because what I get in my eyebrows is the tint, so it's the henna tint the ladies do. Oh, so what I'm gonna do today or later or tomorrow, no, what I'm gonna do or try, it's technically try, I got a new camera mount for bikes. Not new one, I got one because I wanted to film when I go out with the kids biking, because last time we tried that and holding a camera while you were riding a bike is not that fun. It's dangerous. Like, I have balance, but trying to balance with a camera is not easy. So I just put my serum. I love the serum. I'm obsessed with it. Then I'm gonna do this one. Usually I use this little guy. I use this little guy at night. Let me see the name right there. I use this little guy at night, but I'm gonna use it today. Like, oh, this moment. They're playing Fortnite. So I'm gonna put my creams and I'll be back. I swear, these eyebrows makes me feel like so much put together, or maybe because I haven't done my eyebrows like in how many, I think since February when everything started, so it was time. But I don't know, can you tell? They're amazing. So I have to finish filming this one, and I think there's 3 over here. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do that in a minute. I'm I'm so excited. Finally did it. I was like playing around with my third hole, this one right here, and I put it on. This is what I wanted. I've been wanting this. Like, maybe I have to change that one into gold because now I'm into gold, but that one I never messed with it, so it's been there for years. But this is what I've been wanting for forever. I don't know if you're gonna get grossed out because I was playing around with it. That's why I got red, but I love it. I'm gonna unbox this one. It's called A Bridge to Cross. This is the other one that I got from the same order from the one that unboxed yesterday. The box, they don't like this, you know what I mean, like not that bad like the other one, but let's open this one. I'm gonna open from the top this time. So they come in this baggie now, which I love. You know, they come with the wax, the pens. So these are 2 trays this time. The other one had 1. I guess it's bigger. Oh my goodness, another square. I know I didn't show you yesterday like each one, but you cannot tell. It's 2 bags. What about the other one? This is the other one. Oh my god, I love this color right here. As you know, this is my favorite color. So, oh my god, 3 bags of that one will kind of look like it's 3. Yeah, oh my god. 3 bags of my favorite color. Perfect. It's a beautiful purple. So now, let's see the canvas. Let's see how many colors this one has. Has 45 colors. It's a little bended on the bottom, which is okay because the canvas is good. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh my god. So that's the canvas. It's beautiful. Let me zoom you in a little bit so you can see it. Oh my god. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm going to box this big ass box. I don't know how many there are here, to be honest. I went kind of crazy after buying some diamond paintings. Let's see how many there are here because I don't have idea. Okay, only 3. Oh my god. So the ones we have here are this one, contemplation. This is one. Oh my god, I love this one. It's forgotten memories. And this one is one of my favorites. It's what? I don't know how to say that word. Very. Yeah. Very. This one is 75 by 60 centimeter. This one came intact. Like you see, the box is not damaged. Not even the top, on the bottom. This one came with UPS. We have our kit here, the same thing, the pens, the squishy thing, and 2 trays, and we have the waxy and all that. That's the same thing in all of them. The drills. This is another square drill. I mean, yeah, it's another. Oh my god, do you see this AB? That's beautiful. That sparkle. I'm not opening them because it's hard to put them back in this bag. That's nice. Look at that pink. Alright. This one has 55 colors. And I think it's like Diamond Aircraft has the AB drills up here, so I think they have 2. The treat. Oh god. Alright. Oh no, they have right here the AB. They have it as an AB. So it's, oh my god, this is beautiful. The instructions. Can you see? Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Look at that water. And I love, I think this is like a sunset. I love sunsets. Oh my god. This one right here that I'm gonna unbox, it's called Forgotten Memories. It's 80 by 60 and it's from Dreamer Designers. I love the packaging that they have now. See, so here's the kit, whatever, the painting and the drills. Oh my god, it's another square drill. See, these are the colors. Love these colors. Oh my god. Look at that drill right here. Let's see how many colors it has. Has 42 and 1 AB right here. And right there. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Can you tell? Oh my god. It's beautiful. I love this. It's, to be honest, I think this one right here, it's one of my favorites. It's called Contemplation. It's 80 by 60. And this one of the main reasons why it's my favorite, because it reminds me, like the colors reminds me of a painting that we had, that my grandma had when I was little. It's not the same, but the colors kinda are. So took it. Bye. Oh my god, this is sport, but look at the AB right here. Beautiful. Also white AB and this green. Can you tell? Not much, because oh my god, my favorite color right here. Oh my god, like different shades of it. Heaven. Oh my god, that red. 310. Just one bag. Beautiful. This one right here has 3 ABs, as we saw, and have 52 colors. It's beautiful. Can you see? Yeah. I love this tree right here. This big tree. Love it. Sorry for the glare, but look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god, love it. It's beautiful. And that bench. Huh. Yes. And this is the aftermath after unboxing most of my diamond painting. These one are sitting right here because I'm gonna bring them downstairs. And now I'm so thinking taking one of the ones that I have here, because I think I'm not gonna do this one next. I think I'm gonna do another one, so I'm taking that one downstairs as well. In a little bit, not right now, because over there it's really hot. Maybe later. So work is done. I already edited a few videos and I already did four for Instagram, for IG stories. When I edit this video and upload it, I'm gonna post my, I don't know if I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna think about it if I'm gonna put my other Instagram. The one is only for diamond painting. So yeah, so I already did four for my TV. Also did one more for YouTube, and I recorded one and I edited, and it's up for next week. So I'm in a roll. The computer is out and I already have the next 2 videos to edit, but I'm kind of bored of doing that, so I'm gonna take a break and gonna do this one. I'm gonna keep doing my Beauty and Beast. This one is already done. She's lovely. She's so beautiful. So this is my desk. I have to convert it for everything. So my light pad. I gotta fill my water. This one doesn't go here. Right there. It's so hard doing everything with one hand because this is so big. Let me show you what I have done. I already did. I'm trying to, oh my god. Let me just, there. And there. So it doesn't fall. This is what I have done in a few days. Like a week, I think.